Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Land Rover Defender 110 2-litre P400e X-Dynamic HSE. Now, this vehicle is a petrol plug-in hybrid with an automatic transmission, is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Pangea green. To start off with, then you have your LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 20-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels with a silver finish, really complementing against the Pangea green exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, allowing you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. As well as this, the vehicle also comes supplied with a full-size spare alloy wheel, ideal for any occasion you may need it. And as we open up the boot, you can see that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps a pushchair. You also have your tow bar controls, which allows you to tow things such as a trailer or perhaps even a caravan for those weekend getaways. As this vehicle is a plug-in hybrid, it has a range of up to 25 miles. On a 7kW charger, it can take up to 2 hours to charge to 80%, and on a rapid charge, it can take up to 30 minutes to charge to 80%. Moving to the rear seats, you can find the ebony upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away to carry that fifth passenger. Moving in through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control. Taking a look at your dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 9,293 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. You also have a head-up display, which is a brilliant safety feature as it allows you to see the speed you're travelling at without taking your eyes off the road. Taking a look at your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. As well as this, you also have your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst on the go. You also have your 4x4 information, wade sensing and terrain response drive modes. All these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on. Helping that bit more, you also have the off-road feature on the camera, and of course your 3D view, which allows you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. As well as this, the front seats in this vehicle are both heated and ventilated, ideal for those hot summer months as well as those colder winter ones. And of course you also have a dual zone climate control where you can individually adjust the temperature. This has been a presentation on a Land Rover Defender 110 2-litre P400e X-Dynamic HSE that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.